Struggle is real and there is no perfect skin. Like I always say, it is a step at a time. It is a consistency journey, a journey of being consistent. Hey beautiful, and welcome back once again to my channel. So in case you're a newbie, welcome. Then if you're an OG, sweetheart, you're always welcome. So in case you're new here, my name is Nyechi, Chiemela. Yes, I'm a skincare enthusiast and a public health lover. So here on my channel, I review skincare products. I talk about all things beauty and health. Yes, and a whole lot more still to come here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe down below and give the video a thumbs up. Yes, when you give the video a thumbs up, it tells YouTube that you would want other people to see this video faster, especially if you found the video informative, educative, or maybe entertaining. Yeah, so that is what it does. So sweetheart, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. One more thing, do not skip the ads. Please watch the ads, okay? Support the channel by not skipping the ads. At least watch one or two of the ads placed on the videos, okay? If you're new to the channel, there's this thing I normally do. Here on the channel, I talk about skincare ingredients as well as reviewing skincare products. Now, particularly for this video, I'm going to be telling you skincare ingredients to stay clear of, especially if you want a healthy, glowing skin. If you want your skin to be happy, if you want your skin to thank you, these are the ingredients that you should stay clear of. Having in mind that the way our skin reacts to products, reacts to ingredients differs, yeah, that is one more thing you should consider. So even though I'm telling you these ingredients don't really work well for skin of color, have in mind that some other person, it may just not do anything to them. But staying updated or being skin science informed is #1 way to stay ahead of your game. Yes, when it comes to your glow up game. So that is what I'm about to talk about, okay? Now, the first skincare ingredient to stay clear of or to avoid is sodium lauryl sulfate. Now, this is another ingredient you should not be using too much, or you should not use at all. It is actually found in a lot of foaming cleansers, and it may strip your skin of moisture and make your skin super dry, which in return could cause irritation and then cause things or do things that you wouldn't want to happen to your skin. So that's another ingredient to stay clear of. The second ingredient on the list to stay clear of is synthetic fragrance. Now, most natural ingredients do have their own fragrance, but sometimes skincare companies may not use those ones. They may actually, based on their formulation, use synthetic fragrances in order to make the products to smell good. Now, one thing you should have in mind is fragrance does not actually contribute to anything when it comes to a product. One thing you should have in mind is that fragrance doesn't actually do any specific thing for your skin. The only thing it does is to make your skincare product smell good. It's to actually make your skincare product smell good. It doesn't do anything for your skin. Now, what does fragrance do to the skin? The reason you should actually avoid this is because it could be problematic to your skin. It could irritate your skin. It could trigger sensitivity and also irritation. Now, the remedy to this is make sure you're reading your ingredients list and trying products that use natural fragrances instead. This is an era of information. Please don't stay in the dark. There's Google, there are videos like mine and many others that will put you through and give you an idea. So stay skin science informed, okay? How do they say it in Nigerian language? Don't be an olodo, okay? Read your labels, go through your labels, and yeah, you'll be fine. By doing that, you're taking a closer look on what you're putting on your skin, okay? So the next on the list ingredient to stay clear of or to avoid is formaldehyde. Yes, it actually causes irritation and potential carcinogen. Yes. Now, to be on the safe side, avoid products with these kind of ingredients on it. If possible, try to look out for products that are not with this kind of preservatives. There are other preservatives that are safe. Okay, next on the list is, I know a lot of people are going to come to query me on this one. They will say, oh, I've been using this sunscreen for 100 years now, and it's a chemical sunscreen, and I've not been having issues with it. Brother, sister, I don't know what I'm going to tell you, but hey, chemical sunscreen is the next one on the list. Now, chemical sunscreen actually contains ingredients like oxybenzone and octisonate, which could actually cause irritation to the skin and maybe environmental concerns as well. So, in order to avoid something from, causing issues for you in the long run, stick to products that are made with physical sunscreens, or stick to physical sunscreens precisely, okay? I don't know how else to explain this to you. Now, in terms of what replacement should you try out, physical sunscreens contain titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. So that's actually what you should look out for. Sunscreens that have just titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, preferably SPF 50. Okay, so I have talked about sunscreens here on my channel. I'm going to leave a link to that video or down on the description box for you to check it out. So the next one on the list is alcohol denat, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to leave that also on the screen for you to see. Now, what do I mean by alcohol denat? That is alcohol denatured, but in order to put it correctly, denatured alcohol. Yes, denatured alcohol found in certain skincare products can be excessively drying and irritating, and you don't want anything that will do that to your skin and then trigger irritation, sensitivity, and all those things you don't want. And then you have dark spots that are finding it very difficult to clear, and then you have breakouts that are always coming up. Trust me, this past few months I have seen it all when it comes to skincare issues. I have seen it all. I don't know if there's any other thing. The struggle is real, and there is no perfect skin. Like I always say, it is a step at a time. It is a consistency journey, a journey of being consistent. I break out. That over there is a pimple, dark spot. That over there, those are pimples. So nobody has a perfect skin. We're just trying to make it work. And that is why I have on my channel videos like this and many others to give you an idea or to keep you informed based on my trial and error journey. I try products and I come to share information about them so that you would stay skin science informed. Okay, so it's a journey to carry your sister or your brother along. Nobody is an island, so if possible, when it comes to denatured alcohol, choose products without this kind of alcohols. I'm going to be posting a video real soon. If I haven't posted it, check it down the description box below if I have. But if I haven't, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post it, you see it. The video is going to be talking about alcohols that are preferable. So that's it. I'll see you once again in another video. Don't forget that God loves you more than I do. And stay blessed. Give a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. If you don't know how to give a thumbs up, look at my eyes. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and stay well. Stay blessed and bye.